Most of our customers use these process flows to execute their day-to-day functions. Some of the process flows I show you today will be a little bit busy because we're trying to show you the entire enterprise from coast to coast here, from a CRM activity all the way through the accounting functions and all the functions in between. Users typically won't be dealing with a process flow that's this busy because they're usually dedicated to a specific function within their role. For example, if I'm a warehouse manager, my business process may look quite small. Receipts for the day, do receipts, do some inquiries, print some reports, etc. So the typical user will have a much simpler process flow, and they may have multiple process flows within their menu structure to execute different activities depending on what their particular functions are. But as I go into the big flow again, we'll take a look at one of the discrete manufacturing flows. X3 handles discrete and process manufacturing quite well. And again, most of our users will execute the functions from these process flows. We do have a more traditional menu, should the users prefer that. So when I hit the navigation menu, this is a little bit of a difference between 11 and 12. The process flows in 11 and 9 are very similar. It's this navigation menu that has changed from V9 to V11 to V12. In V11, when you were on a process map like this, you had the drop downs across the top that represented the different modules, manufacturing, sales, purchasing, etc. And it was a traditional drop down menu. Those menus have gone away. And so they've gone back to this navigation type menu where you can click on the particular functional area that you want, and it'll take you to all the activities, for example, that are within the purchasing module. Click sales, it'll take me to the sales module. Or I can just scroll, and it will roll between those modules as I go down through. In V12, the find function has been changed a little bit. You can actually execute a direct call through the search up here, but you have a search menu here that if I want to go find a menu item that has the word product in it, you just type it in this menu bar, and it'll show you how many words of the word product that I have in here. So if I further refine it, it'll start drilling it down, say, okay, I only have one menu item that has the word product site record in it. And it'll highlight that in the menu so you can find it quickly within your search structure. Okay? But again, most folks are going to be executing their day-to-day through these process menus.